Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review the Amex Gold Card. We'll explore its key benefits, starting with how you can earn 4 times points on dining at restaurants globally. You also receive 4 times points on purchases at U.S. supermarkets, up to $25,000 annually. Plus, enjoy up to $120 in dining credits each year, delivered as $10 per month, and up to $120 in Uber Cash annually, also $10 per month. This card offers significant value for food-related spending. Understanding how to earn and redeem your points is crucial. Membership rewards points are incredibly flexible, allowing transfers to various airline and hotel loyalty programs. You can also redeem points for flights, hotels, gift cards, or even statement credits. New card members often receive a generous welcome bonus, adding to the initial value. For travel redemptions, your points are typically valued at 1 cent each, maximizing your travel potential. While the Amex Gold Card offers substantial rewards, it does come with an annual fee of $250. It's important to assess whether the dining and Uber credits, combined with the points you earn, outweigh this fee based on your personal spending. Remember, this is a charge card, meaning you must pay your balance in full every month. Consider your spending habits, particularly on food and travel, to determine if this card aligns with your financial strategy. So, is the Amex Gold Card worth it? It's an excellent choice for individuals who spend significantly on dining and groceries, as these categories offer the highest point multipliers. To truly maximize its value, make sure to utilize all the monthly dining and Uber credits. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, compare this card with other premium options to ensure it perfectly complements your spending habits and lifestyle. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.